Just in direct from the last owner, absolutely beautiful BMW 118i Sport. That's the 1.5, 140 brake horsepower, so very lively little engine. 118 Sport, finished in mineral grey metallic, registered in March 2020 on a 20 plate. The last lady owner bought it when it was about 6 months old. Absolutely beautiful with just 15,800 miles. Great spec on this. Very spacious cars, very popular. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this one is. It's got rear parking sensors, nice bit of black trim to give it the contrast. So as I mentioned, it's a 118, which is a 1.5, 140 brake horsepower. Great size boot on it, absolutely massive. Split folding rear seats, beautifully clean, not been abused. Locking wheel bolt in there, additional storage under there. Incredible storage actually if you look at it there. You can hide bits under there. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around, no dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. All the wheels have just been professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so there's not a mark on any of those. They are all like brand new. Tyres are great on it with plenty of tread, all down the sides as you can see. No scrapes or dings or dents anywhere. And again, close up at the near side wheel. And again, the tyres, you can see plenty of tread all across the front. LED lights, front parking sensors. It is just gorgeous. And this is why we do a full close-up video of all our vehicles to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. It's almost like you getting around the car with me on your hands and knees. We show you every single aspect, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. This ensures you don't have a wasted journey. So when you're comparing our vehicles with any others on the market, you know we sell some of the best cars available. Beautifully clean inside, all the door trims in great condition. Got the grey cloth upholstery, all in fabulous condition, a non-smoker's car. No damage to any of the trims or the headlining. Again, the driver's door trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, bit of carbon trim there, just sets it off nicely. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Of course, the front sport seats, electric lumbar support. Just get the support just right under your legs. You can adjust the seats there. The condition of those seats, absolutely fabulous, no undue wear. Again, all the dashboard, all the trims, and there's the mileage, just 15,853. That's so it's done 15,853. Full service history. Keyless start. Nice big clear screen. DAB radio. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth phone connection. As you can see, a nice big clear screen. You can also change the ride of the suspension to sport, comfort, individual. Again, all so easy. They can even have the sports display on the dashboard. Of course, showing the parking sensors and the guidelines for parking. Cruise control, speed limiter, various stereo controls, onboard computer, again scroll to the menu, consumption, fuel range, etc. all just on the other stalk there. Dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, that's how you adjust the suspension, and the full menu for your satellite navigation, phone, etc. just on there. Center armrest, USB input, of course we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Check out our great finance available offers on our website. You can apply direct off the website, HP or PCP deals, very competitive rates. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Specialist Cars established since 1997. A multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We're open Monday to Saturday. Remember, when you are comparing cars, ignore all the price markers you see. It's all about the condition and the history of the vehicles. Hence we do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency with some of the best cars for sale in the country. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.